Hey guys, in this video I just want to show you how to change ink cartridges on this Canon TS6420 printer. There's a lot of similar printers to it, such as TR7020 and so on, that are going to use the 260, 261 ink. So first we're going to open the printer. There's tabs right here and right here. You can use either side or just both of them. We're going to lift this up and this should stop right there. The ink goes over to the middle, the ink carrier, and if we need to change the color cartridge, we're going to go with the C, and we're going to lift this up, take the ink cartridge out, just kind of pull it towards you and out like this, never force it out. And we have an ink cartridge that's already out of the box, and I'm going to pull it out. We need to make sure we remove any tabs that are going to be here. So go ahead and remove the tab here. If anything here or anywhere, just go ahead and put it back in and go ahead and close it. Same thing for the black ink cartridge. If you need to replace it, you don't have to replace both of them at the same time. Just replace the one that is running low or is out of ink. Same here, you just pull it out and put the new one in. And when you close it, it should just snap in there and be done with the ink cartridge replacement. Then you're going to close the cover. One thing I want to point out, when you're changing the ink cartridge, if you pull the cartridge out, if you open this tab right here, the cover, make sure you either, if you have not opened the box with the ink cartridge or anything, make sure you don't keep that open for longer than maybe half a minute, because sometimes the printer will just start moving the carriage back to where it is, even with the cover open in some cases. So it's best to just keep it closed. Open it within a minute, just replace the ink cartridge and make sure you close it. If you didn't put the ink cartridge in there, just close it so it doesn't damage anything in the printer. So that's a basic, just a quick tip for it. So I'm going to put the ink cartridge back into the printer. Go ahead and close it, and your printer should accept the ink cartridge, and you should continue to start printing to do whatever print jobs you had aligned. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Hopefully this tip was helpful for you. There's other tips on repairs and just maintenance tips on these printers that we have on our channel, so check those out whenever we have them, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.